Let's see if we move down. If we can do that or not. It's too close to the door. Huh?
You got your butt. I'm a member of NAF.
Put it way down towards the middle. They're gonna love their new home.
That's as far as I can go with it.
Okay.
Nikki's answer. Okay. Want them in from the well, we'll just put them in.
Why don't I get in there?
How about we close the door slightly?
Let me get in there. You're attacking me. You're gonna have to close the door a little bit, or they're gonna fly right out. Okay. Yeah.
You can already tell. You can already feel they're fat.
Yeah, you're getting there. Chubby, chubby.
Muscles. Where are you?
Less of a mess in here. Hopefully.
That's a chunky one there.
That's all right, honey. The longer feathers. Show
Yeah.
them the longer feathers.
Yep, see.
That's when you know that they're ready to go into the chicken tractor because they can stay warm. He's one of the older ones too. I want to check one of these. Surprise.
Surprise, mother.
Chunky, chunky.
Oh, wow, he's a big one.
Chunker dunker. Oh yeah, this is so terrible.
Look, see, this is a younger one.
Yep.
They have all their feathers. See, lamb? That's how you know, so they can keep warm. And they're super baby chicks. They can't keep warm.
Yeah, remember when they were just like little fuzzballs?
Yep.
They literally just looked like little yellow fuzzballs.
They go right to the food, honey. They are just eaters. They are little eaters. Go for the food. Go for the food. Food to make you happy. They literally eat non-stop. That's why they get so chunky. Oh, honey. Try not to do two at a time. Whoa. They get poop all over the
Old cage, new cage. Old cage, new cage. Huh? Here we go. Look at all of them. Dude, they're literally surrounding the, oh my goodness.
They have Rhode Island Reds that are coming up for hatchery September 18th. I want to get a few Rhode Island Reds. They lay really fast. And they lay about 340 eggs a year. As soon as we're done in the back, we'll move this chicken and the chicken stuff in the back. Because we'll scratch, all they do is scratch, scratch, poop, poop, scratch, scratch, poop, poop. It's great for the soil.